About this item: car cigarette lighter, male plug for fans, DVD players, TVs, recharge pack, truck, bus, van, boat. DC connector, 5.5 x 2.1 asterisk 10 mm, voltage, 12-24v, current, 15A fuse, cable gauge, SPT 216 AWG, cord length, 10 feet, 120 inch. Package, 1 car cigarette lighter, male cable, universal use for many outdoor appliances. Use the cigar male, get power from your car, supply power to you devices with DC 5.5 x 2.1 connector in long drive travel, such as camera, GPS unit, mini fan, LED strip. Compatible with portable car DVD CD player, recharge pack, Amida Maya pump, LED light strip, backup camera, radar detectors, radio, breast pump, portable cassette recorder. Fine, fits most of SIG sockets with a good tight firm connection with no jiggling. Wide range use in car, truck, bus, van,